Yo, what's up, clown family? Still feel awkward doing this in front of the camera, but I'm trying. Hello, welcome back. I'm gonna be unboxing more clown stuff that I got like months ago and just haven't gotten around to filming. And like a lot of this I was really happy to get, and then I just haven't filmed, so I'm kind of silly for that. But as you can see, I'm not very good at doing clown makeup yet. Like, it looks very cakey and weird. I'm not an expert in how to be a clown, okay? At least not yet. I don't know how they make their makeup look so fresh, because obviously I'm not very good at doing it. But yeah, I feel like I'm being really awkward. So let's just start. Okay, so I don't remember everything I got. I know what this is though, and I know it's hella cute, and so I'm really excited to open it. But I know, I'm pretty sure I know 3 or 4 of these items. Like, there's only 4 items. I don't know. I don't even know how many items are here. But yeah, I don't really remember everything I got. So I think I remember most of what I got though. But still, pictures of it. So Gucci. I'm using big girl scissors this time because I didn't think my safety scissors would probably work very well. Got 2 baggies, so we know it should be not broken. I keep getting emails from like eBay like, please review or give your seller a review or something like that. And I'm like, I'm sorry, I haven't even opened them yet because I'm a terrible person. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so this is like a really novel item that I really love. I'm just like, I can't believe they even came up with this idea. It's like, I don't know, I just love the circus, yo. I just love clowns and the circus because they come up with all these cute ideas. It's just like freaking cute. But everybody's scared of them now, and so they're dying. I think, okay, serious note here. I think us clowns, we need to get together and sue Stephen King. Or somehow, like, is Stephen King alive? I don't know if Stephen King's dead or not. But we gotta do something, okay? This was slander. It's slander. It, the movie It, Pennywise, all of that, slander, okay? They made us look bad. They made us look evil. And we're not evil. And now nobody likes clowns. Everybody's scared of them. It's just like, we just want to make people happy. And it's a real shame. It's a darn shame. Oh, my sticker fell off. I didn't think it was going to stay on, but I tried. A clown back scratcher. He's so cute. From Lee Brothers, Barnum and Bailey Circus. And Lee Bros. I cannot read. This little hands are the back scratcher. I've been wanting a back scratcher for a while. 10 out of 10 back scratcher. I was trying to see if there was a date on it, but I don't see one. It's like made out of plastic. Kind of wasn't expecting that. I guess I thought it would be made out of wood or something for some reason. I don't know why. I'm so awkward. Like, I'm trying my best. Buggy on this one. A little spider. Sorry, little spider. See, this is how long it's been since I've touched these. There's little spiders living on them. you see clown nose in here and it fell and I can't find it. Oh yeah. You can't see these, but I want to show you. My clown shoes. I don't know if I'm getting these in frame. Come on. Oh, I'm not flexible. Look at my clown shoes. That one's yellow. That one's blue. Oh my god. I need to do more yoga. Whew. I'm so out of shape. But yeah, I got these from an older lady who used to be a clown. She went to clown school and everything. But she unfortunately doesn't do clowning anymore. So I bought them from her. I got 2 pairs. One that are just blue and these cute ones. So I like them both though. Oh yeah. Another thing, you see these heckin' cute, oops, my god, I moved my camera. You see these cute heckin' pens, huh? You see these delightful, beautiful things? I got these from an artist called Cakemix Art. Cakemix. I guess her name would be Cakemix. I don't know. But she's like, she makes a lot of really cute clown stuff, so like these are one of my prized possessions, to be honest. I love them so much. Like the best thing I've ever purchased in my life. So yeah. You should give her a follow. And if you don't, I will stab you. No, I won't. I won't take that seriously. Oh wait, I remember what this is! Oh, oh my goodness, he's so cute! Oh my gosh. It's like made out of tin. I didn't really expect that. It's a little drum. How cute. Oh. This is the greatest show on earth. This is so cute. I'm not really sure which side you're supposed to bang. Is it this side or this side? Can you do both? I don't know. Because, you know, they're showing him. He's holding it in his belly. So these big drums. I don't know. But it's really cute. Really heckin' adorable. This is so cute. I love it. Okay. I got this one. I feel bad for cutting this now. So I was just thinking like, oh, maybe I could have reused this. Maybe I still could. I don't know. I don't like throwing things away. You know, I like to try to reuse things as much as possible. You know, our planet's dying and everything, and here I am just cutting into it. Oh, this is really cute. I'm pretty sure the lady I bought this from on eBay, pretty sure she makes these. So like, pretty sure, yeah, she made these. I think she might have had a few of these, so I'll try to remember to like link to her eBay or something, because these are really cute. They're supposed to be ascots, I think. I have no idea how an ascot works. I'm kind of confused. Like, you know, like Fred Flintstone. I don't know his name. Fred. I don't know his last name. Fred from Scooby-Doo. He uses an ascot, but like, I thought it was like supposed to be pointy. I don't know how to wear this, so maybe I'm kind of stupid. Maybe you're just supposed to wear it like this. I don't know. Or maybe I'm supposed to like tuck it in. I don't know. If someone knows how I'm supposed to wear this and isn't an idiot like me, you can let me know. But it's super cute. Wait, let me give you a close up. It's Ronald McDonald. No McDonald's sign. Even though I don't support McDonald's because, you know, I don't support people eating animals, he's a legend. He is a god among us. So, you know what? That's another thing. The whole like scary clowns is the reason why you don't see Ronald McDonald as much. Even though Ronald McDonald was a huge job for clowns, you know, thousands of employed Ronald McDonalds all over the country let go. because people are scared of clowns. Why? It's sad. And now we got that creepy, I think I might have gotten rid of him because I haven't seen him in a while, but they had that creepy Happy Meal with the realistic teeth and eyes. It's like, how is that less creepy than a clown? Just shows you corporations are not human. They don't know what people like. I think they're just like aliens or something. I think, oh yes, these are cute. Okay, actually the last thing, I kind of saved from the last on purpose, so that's kind of on the bottom of the pile anyway, was this thing I saved up for, because it was $200. But I am so excited for it. Okay, like, oh my god, I don't even know how to explain how excited I am for it. I feel like I act so weird on camera, like I don't know how to act myself, so hopefully the more I do this, the more like relaxed I'll become, and the more like myself I'll become. So just like bear with me, everybody, okay? Okay. They're so cute. They're little Ronald McDonald forks, and yellow and red. They're so cute. So cute. I actually feel like decent quality. I kind of thought they were for worse. They're so cute. They're so mesmerizing. Okay. Now for the grand finale. This bad boy cost me $200. I saved up for it. I always heard you're not supposed to look directly into the camera. I just did that. I don't know. Oh wait, I think I just showed off my address. Whatever. None of y'all are gonna come murder me, right? Oh. Actually, I don't think I would mind if I get murdered, so. I'm thinking, Sarah, what is that? This is beautiful splotches of color. You're about to see. Ringling Brothers Clown College. You see that? Clown College. This is a jumpsuit for when the Ringling Brothers had a clown college. I'm probably putting something real. From a clown, this is Ringling Brothers and Barnum Bay, whatever. Clown College jumpsuit. Like, excuse me. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this on, so I'm just gonna have to. Like, look at the buttons. Like, these buttons, they look so cool. And then you got the whole tag, the bottom baby. I wonder if it says what year. This is a large, adult large, so I'm hoping it's not too big on me. So I saw a couple different things like this. One was kind of like a different style, and I feel like maybe those might have been the older ones, and this might have been like a newer version. I'm not really sure. I couldn't find a whole lot of information like on the history about it, which is really, really sad. I don't know. Maybe I guess there's just not a lot of recorded history about this stuff, which makes me sad because I think it's really cool. Maybe because I plan on going to the circus museum they have in Florida. Maybe like they'll have one of these there and there'll be like information about it or something. Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna go try this on. I'll be back. hi there. I didn't see you there. With this whole thing? Yeah, I know. I've just had it laying around in my closet. Your clown could never. Oh my god, look at how cool this is. Okay, this said it was an adult large, and this thing is pretty snug around me. So I feel like this was made in either the 80s or the 90s because everybody back then was thin as twinks. So twinks. Anyway, so yeah, I mean the arms are very large and the pants, you know, they're like somewhat large, I guess. But oh my god, this is sucking in my waist, you know. This is a large. Whew. I'm really glad I got like a large. Like I was thinking like, oh my god, I hope it's not too big, but like, okay. This is hella freaking rad though. Oh. Okay, I'll show you the black. Is it in red? Okay, okay. Imagine this. Okay, imagine this. You hire some painters to come paint your house, and this person shows up. Hi, ma'am. I'm here to paint your living room beige. That was really stupid. I don't know why I did that. But those things look really cute together, like a painter's type hat and this jumpsuit. Actually, I don't know what I look like because I didn't look at this in the mirror, but I imagine I look hella awesome. I don't know how to end this video. I've looked at everything. Let's do a review. Oh, let's put this on with this. Does it look good? I can't see. You're just gonna have to tell me. I'm just gonna imagine you're saying it looks awesome right now. Thank you. And I'll be chowing down at McDonald's with my McDonald's utensils. And what's this? What's this? I have an itchy back. Ooh. Wow, look at this. I just happen to have this beautiful back scratcher right here. What's the stuff? And what's that? What's that? You know, I'm getting kind of bored. I need some music. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm a dummy. But yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing. Numero umaru. I was about to think that's right at all. But yeah. Hope you have a Gucci day. Keep on honking. I don't know what I'm doing. Just gonna end the video now.